Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making honey glazed sheet pan chicken. Alright, I'm starting out here. We're going to make the honey glaze. I have 6 tablespoons of butter here I melted. You can see it's hot. Let me turn my heat down low. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of honey, and I'm going to eyeball this. And guys, let me know if your honey containers always get sticky on the outside. Don't ask me how or why, but mine do. Alright, let me get my hands rinsed because they're a little sticky. That's about a cup of honey in there. Now I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of salt, because salty sweet is a good combination. And I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of pepper. And guys, it's going to be a quick and easy sheet pan meal for a weeknight when you worked all day. And I'm going to throw in the equivalent of 4 cloves of garlic. I'm using this pre-diced cheater garlic. But if you use fresh, use 4 cloves diced up. Right, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle simmer, and I'm going to allow it to simmer for 5 or 6 minutes, just till the garlic heats through and everything, all the flavors blend. Alright, my sauce is done simmering. Now I have a sheet pan here with 5 chicken breasts and 1.5 pounds of baby potatoes on there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spray everything down with a light coating of oil. And I'm going to season this with the McCormick's Himalayan Pink sea salt, black pepper, and garlic mixture. If you don't have this, just use salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and hit the potatoes with that. And the chicken. And I want to hit my potatoes generously with that. And I have some oregano here. I'm just going to hit the potatoes with the oregano. I was looking for Italian seasoning, but I used it all up. I have to get more at the store, so oregano is going to have to do. Right, I'm going to take that honey glaze that we made. Hey guys, you want to simmer this over low heat, because with that honey in there, you don't want it to burn on you. And I'm going to go ahead and put this down over top of the chicken. And I'm going to reserve a little bit of the honey glaze for after the chicken's done, for when we serve it, to put over top of the chicken. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes so our potatoes are tender and the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165. I let my chicken go for 30 minutes. In the last 5 minutes I stuck it under the broiler to get nice and brown and brown up the potatoes. You want to watch the under broiler because it browns up really fast and you don't want to burn it. And I left this rest for about 5 minutes. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some seasoned corn to go with it, and I put that glaze over top of the chicken. Let me try this chicken, guys. Chicken's tender, well seasoned. You pick up a little bit of sweetness from that honey, but it's not overwhelming. Savory sweet. I'm going to try a little bit of one of these potatoes. Well seasoned, creamy, soft on the inside like little baked potatoes. Guys, that's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. And other than the honey pot, you only have 1 extra pot to wash other than a pan. Alright, there you have it. Honey glazed sheet pan chicken. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.